Illum is-sibt 12 ta' Mejju il-finali tal-Eurovision Song Contest 2018 ikkontestat minn 26 pajjiż. Malta sfortunatament mhix involuta wara l-ambaxxatriċi Maltija Christabel minkejja l-interpretazzjoni tajba li tat tal-kanzunetta ta' Boom ma rnexxilx tagħmilha s-serata finali. Kollox jinsab lest tal dan il-festival kolorit ferm tal-Eurovision Song Contest wara il-provi ġenerali li kellna propju il-Beraħ u anke illum wara nofsinhar issa lesti għal kompetizzjoni 26 pajjiż. Fost il-pajjiżi li qed jissemgħu għandek lill-Iżvezja, għandek lil Ċipru, għandek lil Ġermanja fost l-oħrajn ukoll fost id-djar tal-imħatri li sejra tajb ukoll. Pajjiżi bħal Iżrael li kienu ilhom mill-bidunet favoriti jibqgħu favoriti wkoll li jollu trofew. Aħna staqsejna lill-ġurnalisti li jinsabu hawnhekk fiċ-ċentru għall-ġurnalisti isegwu u jirrapportaw l-Eurovision Song Contest x'darilhom. Ħafna minnhom sabuha diffiċli ħafna biex jagħtu l-previżjoni tagħhom kif qed sostnu li dan huwa festival miftuħ ferm għal min se jkun qed jolli trofew Illejla.
I really like Israel. I think it's fun and it's really great in this time. I like the girl power in it, and
I think it might be a duel between Cyprus and Israel, and I was really thrilled by the hot fuego from Eleni from Cyprus. So I think she might be in the lead and might be win Eurovision, but I also have goosebumps by the dark horse Germany.
Yeah, the hype about Israel has kind of faded away and now everybody is screaming for Cyprus, but I still do think that the song from Israel is stronger and I hope that people will appreciate her gimmicks live as well.
I like the French song very much. I think it contains real emotion and delivers important message. I wouldn't write off Norway because I think Norway could still be a surprise winner, and I think Sweden has a really good chance of winning this thing.
Just wanna dance you up. So don't you dare wait up. Don't you dare, 'cause I just wanna feel the mood. You're with anyone but you.
I think it might be one of Cyprus or Israel, perhaps. Yeah.
It's hardly to predict.
Yeah, it's very hard to predict. I have no idea. I think there are very strong acts this year, so yeah, it's a difficult year to predict.
Sing along with me. Step one, believe in it and sing it all day long. Step two, we'll just roll with it. That's how you write a song. Come on.
Illejla fid-9 jibda il-finali tal-Eurovision Song Contest. Għada għal-ħabta tas-7 ta' filgħaxija b'titjira diretta mill-Lisbona. Il-kantanta Christabel flimkien mad-delegazzjoni Maltija tasal f'Malta u wieħed ukoll jispera li diversi Maltin imorru anka jilqgħuha fl-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta. Dak kien kollox għalissa, aktar żviluppi ssibuhom fuq is-sit one.com.mt. Jiena Edward Montebello mill-Lisbona għal One News.